So, yeah, this is going to be fun. Okay.
Which part is going to be fun?
Well, I don't have really good equipment, so everything's kind of funky.
Yeah.
And it's moved around a lot. I can make it work, but I'm going to have to be smarter than the steel. So,
Many adjustments.
Many adjustments. Mostly I'm just going to match drill everything.
What?
Match drill. You put everything
match.
in. Yes.
Okay.
You put everything in and you drill it all in place so that it matches.
Right. Okay.
A little more time consuming, but it'll work. It's not a space shuttle.
Have you actually had space shuttle done work on space shuttles?
Yes, as a matter of fact. Little tiny pieces here and there. Oh, that goes to the space shuttle. Oh, okay. And you keep drilling.
Right.
You know, the blueprint says bracket. So you make the bracket.
Right. Okay.
And then they tell you later, oh, that went to the space shuttle. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
What I was thinking of doing didn't work because I don't have really good machinery to drill that stuff where it's not going to drift. Drill's walking around all over the place. So I'm just going to put tabs under here, bolt it up, or clamp it up and match drill it in place. It's the only way to get things really centered up. So I'll weld tabs onto these two, and then, yeah, fits the tent. So.
Yay, no wasted space.
Yay! All right. That's so bowed. I think it warped a little with welding.
What?
I said I think it warped a little with the welding, but oh well, that's fine. It's not like it's going to go anywhere. Okay. Tighten up a few things and then we'll see if stuff still fits underneath. It's just a little bit of a tension bow, I think, from the welding.
Yeah.
When you weld it, steel shrinks. So,
It's just what happens.
it's just what happens. And I'm a machinist, not a welder. I can kind of fake it, but welders are welders.
Yes.
I have deep respect for all the welders out there.
Indeed.
Alright.
I certainly could never do any of that.
Yep.
No way in hell. Wouldn't have a prayer.
Well, I think like this.
Hooray!
Now you can get to all the stuff on this side.
Mm-hmm. Looks really good.
It's turning out okay.
Just okay.
Well, a few things didn't match up, but you know, it's a one-off, so. It will work beautifully.
Cool. I think it looks really good.
Thanks.
Sweet. And then this piece of plywood is going to go in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put hinges on the other side too.
Right.
Be as easy to get to, but at least we'll be able to get to it.
Cool. Thanks.